little Nissan S13, you know, little drift action going on. Luckily, I was able to pick up this clean little 1990 S13 hatch. Super mint for how old it is. So it'd be cool to be documenting that, showing you guys how I deal with the drifting experience, and you know, hopefully moving around, moving to Japan, traveling around, traveling different tracks. I'm located in SoCal, so there's a few tracks down here, you know, and I'm obviously gonna take you guys for the ride. I'm gonna show you guys all the experiences that I deal with.